So, you are possibly going to go for WIOA funds. WIOA stands for Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act. SkillSource administers this. The first thing to do is go to www.myskillsource.org. Then click Job Seekers, and then here it is, Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act. I will click on there. Alright, this is the page that has a lot of what you need. You should watch the video here. It goes over everything you need in about 6 minutes. And you should review over the WIOA eligibility packet. Alright, this packet has some financial information in it right about here. And if this is you, you are possibly able to get this funding for your class. But you should look through everything else as well, just to be sure. And fill out as much as you can. I'm going to go back. So here's the video, and then you would need to sign up for an appointment. If you are in Fairfax County or in Prince William, it says click here, or in Loudoun, click here. I will click on this one for Fairfax or Loudoun or Prince William. And this is how you sign up. It shows the address and the different locations and times here. You would sign up and go on from there. And you should show up, make sure you have enough time with them, at least half an hour, maybe even an hour, just in case. Bring the documents, and you can always follow through with the people as well. Just make sure that you have everything you need. To do that, you can always go to locations, find out where you're about to go. So for instance, Annandale, and give them a call right here. Alright, after that, they work with you to get funding, and you may have to apply for different jobs. They may have you go through some steps. But then they work with NOVA directly after that to pay for the class.